Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you fix notification not working on iPhone. If you're having issue with the notification on your iPhone, then you could follow the steps in order to fix it. So first thing, a simple restart can help you out. So there's no better way to fix iOS issue than to just restarting your device. You could try the steps and see whether that works or not. If the issue still persists on, you could also try checking your iPhone is in the silent mode or not. If you see something like that, then it should be able to fix it out. So you just simply want to go ahead and disable it from the silent mode, and that could be able to help you out. So next, what you could also do is you could also try updating your iPhone. To update your iPhone, you simply want to go ahead and open up your settings, and from the settings you want to go ahead and click on update your iPhone, after which you want to go to general, then go to software update and see whether there is any update necessary or not. Apart from it, you could also try checking the app notification settings. In addition to the above, you could also check notification settings when specific app from which you wish to receive notification. Sometimes you must have mistakenly disabled it, so you want to try checking it out and see whether that works or not. You could also ensure focus mode is turned off. To turn it off, you want to open the control center, tap and hold the focus, select focus mode, and next you want to go ahead and make sure to select work, and you want to open the control center and tap and hold the settings, after which once again you want to select work, and then you want to go ahead and click on settings and see whether that works or not. Apart from it, you could also try selecting smart activation or custom schedule. You want to go to the work focus, and here you want to make sure to delete it, and that should be able to help you out. If the issue still persists on despite of doing all of these methods, you want to turn off share across devices. For that, you want to go to settings, then click on focus. Now toggle off the button for share across devices. That should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.